Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play dots and boxes. To start, simply open an iMessage conversation with a friend. Look for the App Store icon right next to your text field and tap it. From the list of available apps, select the Games Pigeon application. Inside Games Pigeon, you will find dots and boxes among the game options. Tap on it to initiate a brand new game with your friend. The main objective of dots and boxes is quite straightforward. You want to complete more squares than your opponent. Players alternate turns, drawing just one line at a time to connect two adjacent dots. When you successfully draw the fourth and final side of any square, that square becomes yours, earning you a point. A bonus for completing a square is that you immediately get to take another turn. To improve your chances of winning, focus on strategic thinking. A key tactic is to try and force your opponent into completing the final line of a square, especially if it doesn't lead to a chain reaction for you. Avoid giving away too many simple squares at the beginning of the game. Instead, look for chances to create sequences of squares that you can claim in one go, planning several moves ahead. Mastering dots and boxes comes with practice and keen observation. The more you play, the better you will become at recognizing winning patterns and anticipating your opponent's next moves. Sometimes, a clever strategy involves sacrificing one square to set yourself up to claim several others in subsequent turns. Ultimately, the game is about having fun and enjoying a strategic challenge with your friends.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.